How to find fast shipping products on AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find fast shipping products on AliExpress. So let's get started. Now, if you are into dropshipping business and you do dropshipping, then you must come across AliExpress. And if you are using Chinese-based suppliers, if you are doing your dropshipping from China, then you must definitely use AliExpress. So when we use AliExpress, we know that it becomes a lot of time for the products to actually arrive, and sometimes it takes months. And what happens is we do dropshipping and our buyers, they ask questions like where is their product, and it takes a lot of time, and we refund their pricing, whatever they had paid. And after that, the parcel actually arrives and we're like, what should we do with this now? So it becomes a little hard sometimes when we are using AliExpress because the products, the suppliers are from China. So as a dropshipping supplier, or if you are working in dropshipping, then you must be thinking that there should be something that you should have in order to get your parcels on time. So don't worry, I actually have this platform, this trick and advice for you that you can actually use if you are using AliExpress, and that is you can actually do your dropshipping through UPS expedited shipping. Now when I say expedited, so you might think that it might charge you more, but with UPS expedited you actually get your parcels very fast. Like I saw a guy and he said that he actually got his parcel all the way from China. He was doing dropshipping and his parcel actually arrived in just 3 days. You can actually see right here that it actually takes, it's rare that it will take more than 3 days for international dropshipping or shipping. So what happens is if you use UPS shipping expedited when you are doing AliExpress dropshipping, then your parcels are gonna arrive way sooner than expected. It's gonna be like 2 days or 3 days. It's super easy to go ahead and check out UPS expedited, and I will actually show you how it actually works, what are the different features, how you actually do shipping through UPS expedited, and how you can actually save some money when you are using UPS expedited. So let's just say that you are doing dropshipping on AliExpress and you have a product, and let's just say that there are many products and you can just choose from any of the product. Let's just say that we have this product and you want to do dropshipping for that. Now the basic thing that we do, we follow the basic steps. You will get your supplier from here, from AliExpress, and then you will do your simple drop shipping. So if we involve UPS into this, what's gonna happen is you can actually do shipping to UPS. So let me show you around that how this platform actually works. So you can see right here for the quick start, you can actually just click here. So right now I am at the shipping option. So what happens is you will go to services, and if I click on services, you will actually see all of these different options. For example, shipping, tracking, international trade, integration, UPS technology, explore all services, and small businesses. We are going to be doing shipping to UPS. Now what happens in shipping is if I click right here, you will be able to see all of their information about the shipping. So what happens is, so you can see right here that all of their shipping information is given here. So you will see that these are the different information that they have for you. And what happens is it's 3-day policy most of the time. If it's way too far, for example from China to US, it will actually just take 3 days, and people actually do their drop shipping through UPS and their parcels actually arrive sometimes even before 3 days. And coming a parcel coming from all the way from China to US in 3 days, it's insane. Like the letters take more time to reach from one city to another, from one state to another, right? But you will actually get your parcel from China to US, UK in just 3 days. So that's how it works. What happens is you just get started with UPS if you have your account. If you do not have it, you will simply sign up for it. Of course, log in if you have an account. Once you do that, you will be able to kind of get along with it. So for example, if I am at UPS and I can actually, log in with my Google, Facebook, Amazon, you can see it's super easy to actually use. So you can just, sign up with your Google account, your Facebook, Amazon, and Apple, or your Twitter as well. So what happens is, you will see right here is super easy. You add your first, your last name, email address, user ID, password, and phone number. So once you have added all of this information, you simply, check if you want to get information to your email. So once you have signed up for UPS, you will be all set to go. And once you are into UPS, you are, you have an idea how this works. And the good thing about UPS is that you can actually, track your parcel as well. So what happens on when we are into dropshipping business, that's actually the main thing that we want, because what happens is sometimes the buyers, they want to know the information about their parcel. And if you say that I do have a tracking policy where you can, track your parcel and you can, give them information about their parcel. So that's actually pretty amazing, because then people will actually have an idea that when they will be actually getting their parcel and whether their parcel will arrive on time or not. And with UPS, you will actually be surprised how well it works with AliExpress, because on UPS, you will actually find all of these different options from China. The Chinese-based suppliers, wholesale dropshippers are available right here. So once you have your product from here, you have chosen your supplier from AliExpress. What happens is you log in all the information to UPS. In UPS, you will not be, doing the dropshipping. You will be actually doing simple shipment of your parcel from China to your buyer, of course. But you can use it for your dropshipping. Only, you will know that you're actually doing your dropshipping, and you can actually save money as well. You can do wholesale dropshipping. You can actually, get a lot of things in one. The packaging size is pretty amazing. And the best thing is the timing. I'm saying it again and again, because the people who use AliExpress will understand that how hard it is sometimes when your parcel takes months to arrive. For example, you have ordered your buyers as a dropshipping, supplier. Your buyer has ordered something which is like very tiny things, for example, just a phone case or something, and they have to wait for more than a month. So that's actually, a drawback of AliExpress. That's why we are always looking for different options to, kind of avail with it, to kind of like go with it, so we can have our dropship business better. Because on AliExpress, the variety of products we find, the suppliers, the Chinese-based suppliers, are affordable, and they are actually, the customer service is actually pretty amazing. So, and don't think that it will not work because of all the pandemic and whatever happened. Don't just assume that, maybe it will not be effective because of the whole, coming from China to US. The shipment works. It has always worked, even in the pandemic. But we can just, say that it did kind of, went back. But now everything is up and running. It's super easy, super, clean. And there is no obstacle or hurdle whatsoever in, supplying anything from China. So, go ahead and start your dropshipping business on AliExpress. And when you do that, if you are having trouble getting your parcel, if your buyers are complaining for the, reasons for your parcel being late, their parcel being late, then you can just hop onto UPS, get your parcel, get your information, sign up for your account, and then add your information, add information of your suppliers. Once you are all set up with UPS, it will be super easy for you, and you can actually, parcel as many things as you want to, whatever your orders are. And once you are, familiar with UPS, then you will actually find how effective it will be for your dropshipping business. Your customer service will be better, your timing will be better with UPS, and you will actually get more and more orders, and your dropshipping business will actually increase. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to find the fast shipping products on AliExpress. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.